Good old chat isn't working. I set up my code in Copilot, and let's see if Copilot can do the same thing that chat's been able to do. So let's see if Microsoft is on their game and this can answer a complex question like this. What the hell? You gotta use Speechify.
Title: Product of array except self. Short description: given an array of integers, the task is to return a new array where each element at index I is the product of all the elements in the original array except the element at index I.
All right, but we'll go ahead and say anime, and hopefully this comes out good.
Story: The Quest of the Mystic Warriors. In the vibrant land of Mystara, a group of young warriors sets out on a quest to save their world from an encroaching darkness. These warriors, each with unique abilities, must gather mystical orbs scattered across the land. Each orb grants them special powers, but using one orb requires the combined energy of all the other orbs. Problem description: the task is to help the mystic warriors determine the power each orb can grant. Given an array nums representing the power levels of these orbs, we need to find the power each orb can provide when combined with the energies of all the other orbs, excluding its own. We'll use a two-pass approach. First pass: calculate the prefix product for each orb. Second pass: calculate the suffix product and combine it with the prefix product. And thus, the mystic warriors harness the combined powers of their mystical orbs to battle the darkness and save Mystara. Would you like to create a thumbnail for this epic tale? If so, I can suggest some AI art generator prompts based on this anime theme. Smiling face.
All right, that was weird. Anyway, it fixed it to where it's in Java now. My apologies. I had to go through a bunch of stuff you wouldn't know. I paused the video, but let's go ahead and make this thumbnail. Here we go. Hopefully this works. This has been a pain in the butt. Chat, please get back online. Miss you, ChatGPT. That's cool. That is cool. I'm not gonna lie. Copy this. Oh, it's down here. Why is it down here? That's weird. Put it right there. So case 1, case 2 pass. We'll submit this. It worked. Copilot can answer these questions as well. Hopefully chat is back on tomorrow and then we can continue with chat. But for now, we're going to do the rest of these 2 videos in Copilot. The next video is going to be gas station. See you in the next one.